From a company that we worked with before, but y'all, it was a long time ago, years ago. So we starting over. Y'all know what I mean by that. With human hair, we'll try a company 2 or 3 times, and if we think that they are nice, we add them to the rotation. If they trash, I'll tell you that, and we never hear from them again. Since it's been so long, we have to start over. We're gonna act like this is a brand new company. The packaging looks different and everything. So this is from WestFace, and like I said, years ago, I reviewed the unit by them. I'll try to link it at the end of this video. It was years ago, and we liked them, but now we're gonna see. Okay, new packaging, and it's really cute packaging. It's a hard box. It has their socials on the back. Okay. All right. Oh, I see color. That looks really pretty. Okay, so first, it's been a long time. I guess they're making up for that lost time. Let's talk about the extra things that they sent. They sent some eyelashes. They gave a bonnet, wig caps, a little scrunchie, an edge band, and a little fanny pack. Okay, those little extras matter to me. I know y'all be like, but they really do. Okay, because some companies don't put anything in there. Okay, I see color. I'm reading straight off of here, but like I said, look in the description box for all the details. This wig is a loose wave 12-inch 5x5 wig. Y'all, it is so hot that I can already tell you that this wig is going to be a breath of fresh air. Y'all, that's kind of cute. Look. Okay. Hopefully I ain't got to do nothing to this. Right out the pack, y'all know I love a closure, a 5x5, a 4x4, a 6x6, because I really can't comb hair and I'm lazy. So when I get something this simple, this is right up my alley. So you get that 5x5, a comb to the right, a comb to the left. In the back, you get another comb, and you have the adjustable strap sewn into the wig, which another added bonus. And you get the comb in the back. On here, that's just a care card about the wig. Let's talk about this color, y'all. How cute is that? Okay, it's like a 27, and it says it's a loose wave, so I'm hoping I don't have to do too much to this, y'all. All I'm gonna do is cut off this little bitty piece of lace, and then I am going to come back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
All I did was put a little bit of powder in that part, y'all know I didn't curl it. I curled this one little curl, and look how different my curl looked from the rest of it. And I ran my fingers through it, and this is what we got. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. This color, this cut, this length, it being a 5x5, this wig is absolute perfection for me. And I almost said for the summer, but y'all, I will wear this spring, summer, winter, fall, whenever. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I 1000% recommend it. If the color, like if you don't like the color in the front, they do make it all in this natural black color. They made it with a red color. So y'all, yes. I filmed a lot of human hair. What is that? Oh, sorry. That's my contract out there. I filmed a lot of human hair today, and by far this was my most favorite human hair unit today. Very, very pretty. If you are a synthetic wig wearer, you know Avery by Bobby Boss, that's what it puts you in the mind frame of. Absolutely gorgeous. 1002% recommend this one, y'all. Check that description box and you see a direct link to it and all the details. Okay, we're gonna add old WestFace back into the rotation because this one was definitely a winner. Like I always say, maybe not into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Avery. Maybe it's your granddaddy Avery. Whichever one, send it to me. And I do believe we can find them a bopper at WestFace, even if it's just this one. Until next time, which will be very soon.